Hello everyone and welcome, and today we are going to look at some new words in level 2. New words. New words. Ebigambo, ebipya. Remember, this level 2 we look at intermediate level in English and Luganda. So new words, ebigambo, ebipya. Okay, let's start. Number 1 is refute. Refute. So refute, it means a statement to be proven wrong. A statement to be proven wrong. Ekintu ekyogerwa okuwakanyizibwa. So refute in Luganda kiyinza okubanga okuwakanya ekyogeddwa. Okuwakanya ekyogeddwa. So refute, ekintu okukiwakanya kye kiba kyogeddwa. So statement to be proven as false. Okuwakanya ekyogeddwa. Okay, number 2 we have intricate. Okay, so intricate in English, it means something which is complex, something which is complicated. Complex, ekintu ekizibu ennyo. Intricate, ekizibu ennyo. Intricate, something very complex. Intricate. Okay, number 3 we have errands. Errand, singular. Errand in plural, they are errands. So errands or errand is like a small trip or a simple trip you take on behalf of others, mainly to perform a particular task. For example, an organization sends you out on a trip to perform a particular task for it. So it is an errand, the journey you take, that simple trip you take to represent your organization, mainly to perform business tasks, is errand. Plural, they are errands. So olugendo olw'amakulu. So olugendo olukiikirira. So luno olugendo lukiikirira kitongole oba ekintu kyonna kyonna, mainly for business. Kukola business oba kukola business. Okay, they are errand. Olugendo olukiikirira ekibiina oba ekitongole. So errand luba lugendo oba trip you take to represent your organization. Okay, number 4 we have diverse. So diverse, a variety of different types of things. A variety of different types of things. Diverse, it means in Luganda, it can mean ebintu ebingi. Diverse, ebintu ebingi. That is diverse. Number 5 we have procrastinate. Procrastinate. Remember, we are in level 2, intermediate level. Some new words in intermediate level. Ebigambo ebipyamu dala eryokubiri. So procrastinate, it means you postpone something. Something has to be done, but you keep on postponing it. You keep on pushing it further and further instead of doing it there and then. So procrastinate, okwongerayo ekintu. Okwongerayo oba okulwawo okukola ekintu. Okulwawo okukola ekintu. Yes, you keep on procrastinating it. So procrastinate, yongera olwawo okukola ekintu. Procrastinate kitegeeza okulwawo okukola ekintu ng'okyongerayo. Okay, number 6 we have commute. So commute is like a journey you take from home to work. Like you are commuting from home to work. Commute. Luno lugendo. lw'otwala ng'ova ku mulimu oba ng'odda ewaka. So you are commuting. It is commute. Okay, number 7, we have baggage. Not luggage, but baggage. Baggage. So baggage means your bags, your suitcases, and your luggage you take along with you when you're traveling. Yes, your suitcases, your bags, and your luggage you take along with you when you're traveling. Baggage. Baggage in Luganda, it can mean emigugu jo. Emigugu jo. Your baggage. Emigugu jo. Hope you are together on that. Okay, number 8, we have passive. 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 So passive is like the way you understand something. The way you understand something. Passive, the way you perceive it. So passive is engeri gy'otegeeramu okutegeera ekintu. So engeri gy'otegeeramu ekintu ye engeri gy'okitegeeramu. That is passive in English. Passive is engeri okutegeera ekintu, engeri gy'okitegeeramu ekintu. So the way you perceive it is that. Okay, a recap. We've said refute, okuwakanya ekintu okiwakanya, that is refute in Luganda. Intricate, ekintu which is very complex, ekintu nga kizibu nnyo. Errand, luno lugendo lw'otwala, for example oli ku business trip, that is errand. Webanga bingi, errands. Diverse, ebintu ebingi. Procrastinate, okulwawo okukola ekintu ng'okyongerayo. Commute, luno lugendo lw'otwala, for example nkuvaaka paka ku mulimu, you're commuting. Baggage, emigugu gyo. Passive, engeri gy'otegeeramu ekintu. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've enjoyed and learned something new. Remember, subscribe at Benny 2178 and press the subscribe button.